2, 3, and...
Come and watch, I'ma show you how it's done. Post a vid, make you get a little buzz. BigHeadPat, got reviews like Yelp. Got all eyes on, cause I do it so well. I'ma pull up with the whip like Tokyo Drift. With some fresh new heat, I'ma load up the clip. It can get a little scary, but like don't even trip. This is every damn day, like I don't even skip. Come and watch, yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch. Do it, like...
What's up, y'all? It's your boy BigHeadPat. Welcome to BigHeadPat Reviews. If you're new to the channel, y'all, please make sure you like, share, and sub, man. A like will help my video be seen, be in the algorithm of YouTube. And, you know, just a comment will just let me know you guys want to talk to me, and I comment back. If you have any music you want reviewed, hit my IG, send it to me. Or my Fiverr account, I'll put that in the description also. But the day has came, y'all. Today we are getting our leveling kit done. I'm going to 4-wheel buy in Chesaning, Michigan. That's like 40 minutes from here. So I'm about to get on the freeway. Get there, man, and get this done. I can't wait. This is one of my exciting parts to get done on this truck. And yeah, that's really it, y'all. So don't forget to like, share, and sub. Man, thanks for all the love for all my other videos. And I appreciate you guys. All right, we out. Guys, we made it here to 4-wheel buy. Beautiful spot, nice area. This is my truck now. As you can see it now, stock. All right. So we're gonna bring that front end up a little bit. They got some nice trucks around here also. That one looks nice. But we're gonna definitely lift this baby up. Man, I hope I can get a car wash soon. I hate my truck is this dirty. But 4-wheel buy, y'all, out here in Chesaning, Michigan. But let's see what they talking about, man. Let's go in here. See, can we find Cody? That's the guy that helped me out.
How's it going, man?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Patrick?
Yes.
Cody.
How you doing, Cody? How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, man, that's beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah.
I didn't know it looked like this, man. That's nice.
Yep. So we just built this like November 5th we moved over here.
Okay.
So yeah, this is all new shop here for us.
Oh, wow. I heard Will was good tires. Those were good, nice ones.
Yep. Yeah, really good brand. We stock a lot of those too. So
okay.
We've been breaking into the truck market more and more.
Okay.
So
all right. You want to give me your information? The address?
yeah. So we're 4-wheel buy, located at 9996 Peet Rd, Chesaning, Michigan, 48616.
Okay. All right. What all do you do here?
We do everything: wheels, tires, lift kits, anything that you can bolt onto a truck. We're here, man.
All right.
So,
man,
that's our wheelhouse.
I have to buy me a hat while I'm here.
Yeah, we can hook you up for sure.
Oh man, this is nice. This is how I want a house built, like the outside, like a Mario farmhouse type build. Yeah, I like this a lot. Let me see. Oh, don't TIS. Those are nice. Guys, y'all have to let me know what you think will fit on the truck. I like those there also. I might have to come here and get my rims and tires. Well, guys, I'm about to get everything situated, pay them and everything, and then when I find out what we're going to do next, I'll let you know. Dope lifts. Fox, best stage we can get. Yes. Yeah, these the big boys here, American Force. Look at that lip right there. That's the big money tires, the rims right there, y'all. These right here. Lift kits. The wheels. I love TIS. Those are one of my favorite ones. These are dope. I like those, but I want a lip. And what's your name again? Jake. All right. Jake was telling me about this one. Gear 22 by 12 or 22 by 10. I like that one a lot. It got a concave to it. And it got a lip also. So I need you guys to get in the comments and let me know which ones you think will fit good on the Ford. So look, I got a nice little minute here until my truck is done. So, yeah. So I guess I'll talk to you guys when we probably retrieve the truck or probably see the process. Never know. So I'll let you guys know. Oh wow, that's nice. That's what I want, man. I don't bet so bad.
This truck has a 3.5 on it.
Okay.
So.
Okay. I'm about to do some trimming. When you look like the guy that I think had before me, I think he was planning on doing something, because like all that inner fender is gone. Yeah. That was shit real good.
Yeah. If you start looking around the wheel wells, you know, depending on the wheel and tire combo, we don't have to do a whole lot of trimming.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta get in like trimming the crash parts, stuff like that. With this truck's got the crash parts trimmed.
Yeah.
I just put under plate on.
Okay. All right, yeah. No fender flares fit perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a nice truck. What's your name again?
My name's Ian.
Ian? Okay. Yeah. I ain't gonna hold you up, man. I've been wanting a truck for years, man. It's my first truck, so I've been trying to do a lot to it.
That one's mine.
I like that lip. I've seen that, yeah. What lift you got on that one?
That's a rough country 6-inch.
So I heard rough country rise and rough. Is that true?
That's a 3/4 ton, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
it is how it is.
Yeah.
Personally, I had a 1/2 ton before that.
Yeah.
And I haven't had a 3/4 ton in a couple of years.
Yeah.
So that one, it was a little. I wasn't used to it when I first got it, so I thought it rolled rough. You know, now it's no different than
the other one.
Yeah. It did not change the ride on that truck at all.
Okay.
A lot of these lift kits that came so far that it keeps everything where it should be.
Yeah.
So even especially if you go with a bigger kit where you get a full lift and spread and anything like that, it'll ride the same as the factory.
Okay.
As long as you got it paired with a good pair of shocks or a good pair of struts, we'll be fine. So.
Yeah, I was looking at that too. The Roush 2.0, I was thinking about getting it down the line, switching it out. Yeah. Well, I ain't gonna bother you, man. I just wanted to pick at you for a little minute.
No, you're good.
I know it's in good hands, so I'll let you be, man.
It shouldn't take you long. So.
Take your time, bro. Our first big mod. So y'all see that truck in there? It's on. I got 3.5-inch lift leveling kit, or is it a lift with 22 by 12s, and it's sitting nice. So I'm thinking about going 22 by 12s. And just have them trim a little bit, man. That's what I might have to do. There you go, baby. Go in there, Rock. I did name the car Rock, man. If you guys follow me on Instagram, that's the name I gave him. I gotta give him a wash. It's horrible out here. Look how dirty my baby is. It's crazy. Yeah, the video just cut off for I don't know what reason. But, yeah, y'all. So, what's up, guys? So, listen. Sorry about the hard breathing. I don't know why this phone just catches up my breathing like that. I do not breathe like that. Okay, first off. But I need you guys definitely to please call up there, let Kobe, Jake, Ian, let them know that they did a great job. They was real friendly. They pushed me in the right direction for tires and rims and just let me see the process if I wanted to do it. I think I found me a good trucking family. And Jake told me that they do have truck meets. So I definitely will be doing that after I get everything done. So yeah, y'all, I need y'all definitely to shoot them a 5-star review on their Google and definitely call up there and just thank them for the help. All right. Getting fixed. I'm about to go price some tires and rims for down the line, man, and go from there. All right, talk to you guys later. Appreciate you, man. I hate my truck this dirty, man. Jeez. Man, I've been trying. I wanted to watch it, what, 2 days ago. This is supposed to have a storm. I ain't gonna bother them, y'all. I'm about to go back in there. Just wanted to see my baby. Well, I'm gonna let them be, y'all. Just want to see the truck. It looks good. Can't wait to get it like this one. This is beautiful right here. That is beautiful. 22 by 12 and tires and everything looks good. But I'm about to go back in, y'all. I'm gonna leave it alone until it's done. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. The baby is done. Yes, yes, yes. I ain't gonna put my hat on my head too big for it. But yes, let me show you guys the truck. Oh, you see that it's leveled? Oh my God, bro. Y'all don't see it probably that much if you're not like a truck guy. You know, that front end, it dips a little bit, you know what I mean? And for it to go, he did good. As you can see, I got my bullet. I have my bullet. And I'm just happy with it, guys. I'm happy with it. I gotta go get my alignment. Let me see how rough it is. Let me see. Oh, it's still straight. It's still straight. Okay, well, you know, I'll see how it dries. But man, I am so excited about this, guys. Yep. So I'll see you guys when I get in the car. You know, just did the payments and stuff, and we'll go from there, guys. So appreciate you guys watching. So guys, all right. So getting in the truck, just feel higher. It do feel real higher, and the steering wheel was straight. Like, it was sitting straight. I'm still getting front wheel alignment because I don't want no issues. But those guys is real cool. I met the owner. I feel it a little bit now, but I met the owner. I can feel the wind now coming from the bottom. But I met the owner. Cody was the guy that helped me, y'all. 4-wheel buy, so if you need any work done in Chesaning, Montrose, Flint area, those guys are real cool. The guy that worked on my truck was real cool. I forgot his name. I'm calling him Jay. They started Jay, so I know it do, so I'm calling him Jay. Jay was real cool. He's a real good guy, and I appreciate them, man. And everything worked out good. So I'm gonna try and get to Delta Tire on South Saginaw to get the alignment done. Then from there, guys, we're going home. All right, so I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, y'all, big shout out, man, to Delta Tires on South Saginaw. They gave my front wheel alignment, man, and I just love the truck, man. It's sitting up so good, man. And, guys, you know, my videos is not together like most people, you know. I'm just starting this building stuff, you know, and I'm trying to get it all together. But look at my baby, look at my baby. I'm about to give him a wash, you know, and let you guys see it more, you know, just better, you know what I mean? Because I don't like all this dirt on here. So when I get it washed, I'll bring the camera back up. But the leveling kit looks great. I want to go to 22 by 12. They said it'd be a little scary. So it might be 22 by 10, but I guess you got to keep watching to, you know, to know. All right, guys, I just got my baby washed, man. All right, so this is how I look with the lift, okay? It's sitting up strong, and I love it, man. I love it, I love it. So what I was saying to you guys, you know, before I got in the truck when I got it back, I'm new to the building, so if my videos don't like they're well put together, it's really off the fly. Like, like I would get my box, like something come in the mail, I just go put it on. I don't try and set it up. I try and be natural with it, you know what I mean? So I try to put a lot of love in these videos. I definitely put a lot of money into them. But I want to make sure you guys definitely like, share, and sub, man. Join the Big Head gang. Next thing I'll be looking for is, like I said, tires and rims. I see some at the shop at 4-wheel buy that I like. And I don't know, man. It's a lot. It's a lot. I said, I want to do sound system. I'm definitely going with Scar speakers. So, guys, you know, definitely like, share, and sub. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for watching the whole video. It's your boy BigHeadPat. I'm out.
Yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch.